Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Windows 11 26H2 on VMware Workstation. So Windows 11 26H2 isn't officially released, it just like Windows Insider preview. So let's get started. Now go to your browser first, type for me uup dump. So visit this website. Alright, now you're gonna search for task Windows 11 26H2. So find the latest version of the build. So the latest version should be on the up, but I'm going to use here. So version 26H1. Alright, now for language, you're gonna choose your language. Next, now for Windows Edition, so if you want to use all of these, you can tick the box, but I'm going to use just only Windows Pro. Make sure to choose download and convert to ISO, and make sure your system has enough storage for the task. Now extract these files for me. Alright, now you're gonna launch the UUP download Windows CMD. Alright, so when the work is done, now you're gonna press 0 or Q. So I'm going to press 0. Now make sure your system has VMware installed and launch the apps. Now go to home, create a new virtual machine. You should go with typical. Now click on browse and then select your Windows 11 26H1 file. Click open. Click on next. Now Microsoft Windows, and you're gonna choose Windows 11. So I'm gonna go with 35 gigabyte, and I should start, and I should store it as a single file. Now click on power on this virtual machine. Alright, so your next thing is just sit and wait for it to boot up the installation menu. And you're just following the installation step like normal. So since Microsoft updated the new Windows installation preference, so it's a little bit confusing for you guys to do it. So click on install, and now the next thing that you need to do is just sit and wait for it to complete the installation step, and we can continue. Alright, so when the work is done, now select your country and your region, and then we can continue the work. Alright, so when it shows up its screen, that it means you're good to go. Now let's check the version. So the version should be Windows 11 26H1. Now we're going to install driver, so click on VM, click on install VMware tools, install, open File Explorer, and it should shows up VMware tools. Click on yes. I think you guys should choose complete method. Alright, so wait for it to install the drivers. Alright, so when it's done, click on finish and restart the system. And after that, you can use Windows 11 26H1 as normal. So in the later videos, I'm going to show you guys how to install Windows 11 26H1 on Windows PC. So installing Windows 26H1 is just normally like other Windows. Alright, and it should work properly. Alright, so you're done. So now if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the like, subscribe and share button and watch my new video. And I'll see you next video soon. Goodbye.